Okay guys, I hope this isn't too oddly framed. Because Marcus woke up at 6 o'clock this morning instead of 7, and so he just went down for a nap. It's 8 o'clock, so hopefully he's down. He's been making some noises. I'm trying to get at least two videos filmed during his first nap. We shall see. So I wanted to do this video first. It doesn't matter. You're not going to know what order they're in anyway, because hopefully I can just get through it and then have a video. So this is going to be my planner and journal lineup for 2020. I haven't filmed one of these type of videos in ages, mainly because every time I do a setup video, my planners change, and I would film a lineup and then I wouldn't use it and then blah blah blah. But I think I've got, and what does it matter? What does it matter if you say you're going to use something and then you don't? This is all about inspiration. You know, if I don't end up using it, that's fine. This is really mainly for you to have inspiration on, I guess, like different ways you can use planners or whatever. It's just for inspiration. So I have three planners and 2 journal type deals. So let's start off with my main planner. So this is a classic size Happy Planner cover and discs and pages in here, but I am bullet journaling my whole planner. And I did kind of a little bit of a setup video in one of my recent videos, but this is the planner. And I did a little bit of flip through stuff, but I am doing a whole like bullet journal thing. So I have lots of, sorry for the glare, lots of bullet journal stuff. I have the check it or line it off and check it off, line it up and check it off stencils, some little mini pages here, some of the stencils from the journaling kit. This, I think I said in my last video, is going to be a vision board type of deal. I just haven't done it yet. This is a list of all of the pages that I want to make for this front part of my planner, because I like to be creative in my planner, and there's a bunch of stuff, including the vision board, that I would like to have and create. And I'm hoping to create some of it on camera with you all, but a lot of times I can't because I'm working around a baby schedule, and sometimes I want to get it done. And maybe he's playing, maybe I just don't have time to film, but I can knock out a planner page, so I want to do that. So I have this self-care activity list that I still haven't filled in. I need to go find my other one that I wrote down what all of these were. But yeah, so this is a self-care activity list. Then this is something I recently made. This is my cleaning routine for weekly, and I used something from the Drama Llama, I think it was, planner last year. I used one of those daily to-do pages, and so I just have my chores listed here. I don't know what I'm going to put on the back. I might put like a morning and an evening routine, or like morning, afternoon, evening, something. I don't know. That might be something cool to do. This I did make and have a video for you all, and I apologize for the audio. I haven't written the signs or anything for the audio on that. I was trying to record the voiceover while he was sleeping and while Zach was home in our room with my mic, and I am embarrassed to talk about planner stuff and film stuff when Zach is here for the most part, so it just embarrasses me a little bit. And then I still haven't done the other 6 months of this planner, and I think I have bills next. Yeah, I have my bills and stuff next. Then January, my bills are on here, but you won't see my budget for my other thing. And then I got a tape runner finally and tape runnered these pages together. And then February is what I'm going to film, hopefully after this, and do this guy. I already like set it up, and I just haven't put the dates or put the month and like decor and stuff on it. And then March, April. And then I think I said this in the other one, but I just have like a page because I don't know what I'm going to do for the monthly yet for these months. So I just have a page to plan in the future. So this says when Easter is, and this is when Shelby, my sister, is coming. And then this actually needs to go in a journal that I have over here. This divider is just a divider. I've got some pages in here that I'm going to use to create my layouts for this year. And then in the back, I have a stuffed full pocket with stickers that I use a lot for this planner. Bill do stickers, date stickers, things like this. I've got coupons for baby stuff. I think these were tab labels for something at one point, and then I have my pin loop here. And so yeah, so that is, and then this is another thing of stickers, and then this is something I was trying to work on to see if I wanted to do this type as like a monthly layout, which I might do for social media. I haven't decided yet. So this is my main planner. I don't want to call it a catch-all planner because this is my main planner. This is where I go to write things down. If I don't use my other planners, then I don't use them. They're mainly like for fun. So this is my plans. And let me show you this layout. This was using the Brights sticker book. And I will tell you that if you want a bullet journal your planner type of deal, the Brights sticker book is great for that. Mine's coming apart. Look, it's coming out of its little thing. Because it has dates and stuff in the back, and then it also has days of the week, and it has a lot of them. So the journaling sticker, I have a blog post on the best sticker books to kind of bullet journal your planner. So that's my main planner. This is this week that I'm filming this, and I really do like this layout, and I haven't shared it anywhere, so I wanted to share it with you. Again, I wanted to film this, but it was late, the baby, was sleeping, but I just wanted to get it done. I didn't want to have to feel like the pressure, I guess, to film something. So there is that. So that's my main planner. That's my main planner. The other two planners I have are this little guy and then my Hobonichi weeks. So going into this planner, this is gonna be, I guess I will call it my on-the-go planner. I didn't really want to call it an on-the-go planner, but I think I'm going to. So this, you can get the cut files to make this whole thing. There's a video on my channel too about how to make your own little micro planner. And so I use the Miss Maker sticker books, and I have the monthly and weekly. I took the weeks and put them in the back. And then mainly what I'm using this for is daily. So the weekly, everything to make this and have inserts and stuff is in my shop. So just so you know. And the Hobonichi weekly template that I made and put in the shop fits in here as well. So mainly I've been using this. I know I said I didn't want to have an on the go and a main and a catch-all and all this stuff, but I have been using this as daily. I didn't fill in Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And honestly, I haven't used it this week, even though I just said I use it as a daily type of thing. But I didn't like the layout that I did, so I just didn't use it. I'm just going to my main planner and using that. But yeah, these daily pages aren't in the shop yet. I think I have to do some tweaks on them. But yeah, I'm just using this as daily, and maybe I will throw this in my purse and have notes pages in the back. I might take out the weekly. You may see Plan With Me's for weekly just because to show you how to use it and the template and stuff in the shop and whatnot. But I may keep, this is like my favorite tab in here. I may keep the monthlies in here just so I can reference the days, like if I have a doctor's appointment for Marcus or something, or myself. So, but that is this little guy. It's just a little micro type planner, and I'm probably going to stick this in my purse, yeah. And then the next planner is my Hobonichi weeks. Now I haven't used this, like I didn't use this week at all. I didn't plan in it at all, and honestly I didn't even plan when I did a Plan With Me for this. This I think I'm going to use for fun. If I want to do I was thinking about doing like gratitude. There's a bunch of, I could use this for dailies in the back, but I don't know. I think I might just use this for fun. If I make a Hobonichi kit and I want to show you how it works in here, then I might just use this for fun. It stinks. I need to make a monthly kit. It stinks because this thing is expensive. And if I'm not going to use it, I don't know. I really like the color though. But yeah, you can see there's this Plan With Me up on the channel, so you can check that out too. And I'm also gonna have a bunch of DIYs for this. Like for example, I mainly got this to show you guys how to make stuff. I have this clear cover that I made with some laminating pouches that I'm gonna show you how to make. I'm gonna show you how to make some dividers for this guy. So yeah, and I think I might put date covers and tabs and stuff in the shop for this because they're all, they're gaining popularity. So that's a planner I don't even know if I'm going to use, but I have Hobonichi weeks, and this is the mega, and it's a soft cover, and I will link it down below. And I also am going to have a video on things I didn't know before I bought a Hobonichi. So keep a lookout for that. I feel like this video is just, hey, I'm gonna do this. Hey, I'm doing that. Hey, keep a lookout because I might be doing this in the future. So let's go into the first journal type of deal that I'm gonna have this year. Let's zoom this out. I hope my camera doesn't fall. So this is another classic size planner, classic disc, classic cover. It's got something on it. This is going to be my Happy Grimoire, Happy Book of Shadows, or something like that. This is mainly my spiritual journal. I have started these type of journals over and over and over and over and over and over and over, and then never kept up with it and whatever. And I'm just kind of giving myself grace on it. There are a couple things that I want to do for it, but since this is a printable on my blog if you want to learn more about your natal chart and stuff, so I'm just going to put this in here. I don't really know. I had a traveler's notebook that I set up sort of in this manner, and had different sections, so I think I might mimic those sections before, but this is just I think this is from the Baby Girl maybe collection that came out. Which, by the way, I bought all this stuff for the baby boy, and then I didn't want to plan. It was like literally planning and getting creative and stuff when I was pregnant made me feel morning sickness. And sometimes I still look at the sticker books that I bought when I was pregnant, like when they came out, and I'm like, huh, like, I don't know why. I don't feel inspired by them. I have no idea. So I'm using an old January, or an old calendar, I think it's from 2019. To separate stuff. So I did have sort of a lunar type of thing in here. So this, I did June, and then I did November. I hadn't done anything between that. I think this is 2019. Yeah. 2019, yeah. I did June, and then I did November, using a lot of stuff from the Lace and Whimsy box subscription that I had, and then I canceled it this year, unfortunately. I really would have wished to keep it going, but I had to cancel it. So then I did June, and mainly this sticker is from one of the Happy Planner books, and mainly I'm using this as a place to journal and about spirituality and stuff. So this first part may be a moon thing. I do have a moon journal I want to get into in the little one. So that was moon stuff. This is the Wheel of the Year, the Sabbats, and there's another Esbits, I think it's what it's called. So we got Litha. I wrote him a letter to myself for summer, and this was my summer bingo from last year. You can see have a baby. I did a Maven and a Samhain one this year, and I wanted to fill them out, but I haven't yet. And then I wanted to also write a letter to myself and do a seasonally type of thing to put in here as well. So I need to date this, but I am going to, like, for example, I should write a letter to myself for winter and put it in my main planner, and then transfer it over here and keep this as like a running thing. And then this is just things that you should do for Samhain. So like, here's Litha. These are the crystals for Litha. These are the oils you could use. Herbs and food, deities, a prayer for Litha, things to do. And then I was going to put something on the back, but I never did. Same with these guys. I kind of wanted to use it as like writing another letter to yourself during that time, but we'll see. And then this is journaling on books that I've read and that I'm reading, and like candle correspondences. I'll show it to you. So actually, I have another journal. Dang it. This is not journaling on books I've read. This is like, for example, this one is ritual prep. So it's casting a circle, invocation of the elements, salt and water protection. It's just like the whole steps to prepare for ritual. And then this is candle colors. And then I had one that I made for candle magic, but I hadn't filled out yet. And then I just have extra pages in the back. I will show you my other journal. Let me get it up here. That I forgot that I had because I haven't been reading. I've been reading this book, and then I sort of stopped doing it because things got kind of ridiculous. But this is my other journal. Close that cabinet. My other journal. This cover is from Doki Book or something. I got it on Amazon, but she's got her own website. And then I have a bunch of just cute stuff in here. And then I have this is also on the blog if you want to learn about tarot. I have journaling for the Modern Witchcraft spell book. So this is journaling I've done. Now this is inspiring me to get back into reading and journaling for this. It's just so hard. So I think I got through this is chapter 2. Yeah, chapter 2. I don't know how many chapters there are, but I would just decorate pages, and I should just sit down and decorate pages, and then I'll have the pages done and I can journal in them. So that's a mini overview of another journal that I forgot that I had. I need to get back into doing that. And then the last little one, let's zoom in again, boop, is this little moon journal, which I haven't even set up at all. Let me reach over here. So I have these guys from Boho Berry that I got in a subscription box ages ago. And basically what I want to do is have this first part be about the phases. So what does the full moon mean? The first quarter moon, waxing, waning, gibbous, etc. Then I'll have January, and I'll have a list of the full moon, the new moon and the full moon and the signs. And then I will have a calendar, and I'll have all the, what is that called? The signs listed. Then we'll go into journaling for the moon phases. And I think I'm probably just going to do new moon and full moon. And then we'll go to February. And so I think I have some, yeah, I do. No, I don't. I use them all. Let's see. So I thought I had something like this from a mini planner, and I was going to use these, but I don't. So I might have to see if I have some somewhere else. I got so many planner stuff that I don't even know what to do with. Like, all of these just fell out. So I'm not buying any more planner stuff this year. I went to Joann's the other day and I was like, I'm gonna look, but I don't need to buy anything. So that, and I used the same tutorial for this. I used the Stargazer sticker book. So I have this front cover and the back cover, and then I made this one that I could also use as a front cover if I wanted to. And instead of decorating the tabs, I used a paper pad from Michaels, and I just need to label them as their months. So that is a quick little overview of the planners and journals and stuff that I'm hopefully going to use this year for 2020. So if you liked this video, I hope that you'll give it a like and maybe hit the subscribe button as well. I have a ton of videos both previously to this one and planned for the future. So hopefully I will get to those. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you felt inspired. I'll leave some various links down below, and I will talk to you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.